If you're a small business owner and you got a storefront like this one, glass aluminum storefront door, there's one thing you have to do to protect your business today, and it's right there. I'm Robert, and you're watching Locksmith Recommended. This doesn't have any way to protect this mortise lock. So we're gonna go ahead and put these channel locks right on this, and we're just gonna give it a nice tight grip, and there we go. That's all there is to it. Once the lock's out, screwdriver, unlocked, door's open. Just that quick. How are we so easily able to get into that door? Well, here's your mortise lock right here, and it's basically held in that door with a little set pin. Somebody comes up and puts torque on that, and they'll snap that set pin right off. How do you stop it? With this guy. This is a cylinder guard, or we also call it a torque collar. And when you install the mortise lock, you slide the torque collar on it like so before the installation. And what this does is it creates a little shield that'll spin freely outside of that mortise lock. So you put a pair of vice grips on that, or you put a pair of channel locks on that, nobody's gonna be able to grip it. It'll just slide right off. And that's how you protect a glass aluminum storefront door from being penetrated by basically a pair of pliers. Now if you look inside right there, you can see the set screw that we snapped off to get the lock out. Now you can see we've got that cylinder guard, or the torque collar, installed around the mortise lock. Somebody comes down, grabs a pair of channel locks on that and tries to twist that off. All it's going to do is spin, and you've protected your small business. That is the number one thing a small business owner could do to protect a glass aluminum storefront door. I hope you found this information useful. If you did like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel below, and turn on notifications so that you'll get advised every time we got a new video. I'm Robert, and you've been watching Locksmith Recommended.